Good day, traders. This is your boy MPL speaking. So, rather just let me get to the point. So today we're going to do NFP focus for tomorrow, the 2nd of June. Prediction. So where I'm anticipating and I'm going to show you how to predict NFP using the DXY chart or the dollar chart. So this is also one of my strategies, how I trade NFP before the data is released. I do a free strategy, but I'm just going to dive in using the DXY. So there are other strategies where where I check on other charts, but normally for the strategy is just with the DXY. So I will go back to the previous month and I'll do a focus of how I'm predicting the NFP for tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe because every week I do upload new video of more content like this using ICT's concept, smart money. So yeah. Okay, let's go back to the previous month of NFP, which was, I think, yeah, Friday. So let's go back to the hour. To not confuse you guys, keep in mind that these yellow lines are my weekly resistance and weekly support. So yes, and if you know the principle of resistance and support, when we pass resistance, this becomes support. And the white lines is the daily resistance or support, depends. So as you can see, our price is respecting my lines and all that. So I drew those lines just to not confuse you. So this is actually my next level of weekly resistance at 106.4109. But let's just dive into the previous month. So with the DXY, guys, normally the DXY we see on the 1 hour. So before, like 50 minutes before the event actually happens, you must go on your charts, guys. Go on your charts. And then you look for buy stops and sell stop, buy side liquidity. So let's mark this one here. So this is Friday and I'm on the hour chart. So you just mark the zones where there is liquidity, guys. Where there is liquidity. Then we go on the 50-minute. Remember, I'm just using DXY, guys, just the DXY. Okay, right. Let's go back here. Here we are. So, as you can see, let's go Friday here. It's Friday midnight. Keep in mind, keep your time on New York local time, midnight Friday, right? London session was at 2 o'clock, right? London session. So this is the London session. Keep in mind London session. London session. Alright. London session is from 2 to 5. Yeah, 2 to 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5 o'clock, yeah. So, I already marked my highs on the 1 hour and my lows on the 1 hour. So on the London session, the market went up. During the London session, the market went down to take out this sell side liquidity, sell stops, and then broke. And then let's just dive into that. So the market broke the breaker. So we call this a bullish breaker. So that's why I actually marked it. If we did not break this area, then the market was just gonna be consolidating, then I would have anticipated the market for NFP for the to go bearish. But that was not the case since we broke this break. And then around five the market so back to the bullish breaker. Not slightly, but yeah, we did do a reversal back then. And then guess what happened? I think by 7:30 when I show up by the market, 7:30 when I analyze the market, I knew there is also buy stops that needs to be taken out here. Buy stops here, and we had a fair value gap. And then I also looked. We also have this high that I noted on my 1 hour. So I knew for a fact that the dollar for my NFP prediction is going to be bullish. And plus I go to my economic calendar and look at the previous data release and see the focus, like how many people lost jobs, and yeah, and I look at also the unemployment rate, like, so it's all about looking at the data and you anticipate. So you know how many people got jobs, how many people lost jobs. All that will also play effect on the on how you can anticipate NFP. So as you can see, when we retraced back to our bullish breaker, we shot up, creating an imbalance, and this is our daily resistance, and we created a huge imbalance here. So by then I already know my focus is and prediction for the dollar is bullish. So I waited for price to return back to this daily support here. Then that's where I sent out a signal to my group that the DXY data that's going to be released at 8:30 is bullish, because I'm targeting these buy stops to be taken out. And guess what happened at NFP? It shot right up. So I wanna tell you guys that when you're trading with the DXY, right? Now we look for the forex pairs that are correlated to the DXY. So we know, like, for example, like the Euro USD pair is negatively correlated to the DXY. So as I predicted here for the DXY to go bullish, right? So what happens when the DXY goes up? The currency pair goes down, and vice versa, guys. It's just that simple. So it means that when the Euro USD goes up, when the DXY goes up, and when we anticipate it to be bullish now, the Euro USD pair goes down. So it's also the same as saying also, for example, like the USD JPY. Now, since we anticipated DXY to go up, so which means if the DXY goes up, the USD JPY pair goes up. But hold up. So let me just give you an example here, guys, of how I trade with the forex space. So let me just give you, when we have a bullish dollar, right? XUSD go down and USD XXX goes up. So please just note it down, right? Or write it down. And if we have bearish dollar, you know XXX USD go up. and USD XXX go down. So we have correlation pairs also, the bullish dollar. Bullish dollar, gold sells, means USD JPY buys, and all indices sell. So bearish dollar, gold buys, USD JPY sells, all indices buy. So let's say if we are bullish on the dollar, guys, you know for a fact that I said XX USD, it means gold sells. And what happens to the USD XXX? It goes up. But I just put it in simple terms for you guys to understand that when the dollar goes up, the currency pair goes down, and it's vice versa. And when the dollar goes down, the currency pairs goes up. It's just what I'm explaining here. So right now we are talking about this bullish dollar here. So we have correlation pairs like gold and USD JPY. What happens if the dollar is bullish? Gold sells, right? And then USD JPY buys. And then all indices sells. We're talking about Nasdaq, US 50, German, that they'll all sell. Now, if that dollar was bullish, I mean, if I anticipated the dollar to be bearish, right? So what happens? Gold buys, right? And then USD JPY sells, and then all indices buys. Indices 50, S&P 500, German 50. So usually I just look for the forex pairs that are inversely correlated to the DXY. That's what I do. So for this instance, when I anticipated for this bullish dollar to go up on NFP Friday, that already told me what's gonna happen. So I'm predicting a bullish dollar, right? So it means gold sells and USD JPY buys, and then I'll sell Nasdaq, sell US 50. Done. Those are my pairs I'm gonna look after. And that's how we kill NFP. But in the future, in the future, I'll be sending out my results so you see how I kill NFP. But yeah, for now, I'm just teaching you guys on how to predict NFP using the DXY. So let's just cancel this and let's go to me predicting the NFP for tomorrow. And I'll be sending out the results tomorrow when I kill NFP. So just keep in mind. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be sending out my results for NFP. So let's go. Alright. And this dollar is behaving bad. As you can see, I drew out my line for 8 o'clock. I'm already prepared for NFP. So what did I say? On the hour, we note down our high. And our low, which is this one. Oh no, sorry. No, yeah. Which is this one. Make it dark. Alright. There's a gap here. I'll make this red. I'll need more information tomorrow if we are likely to go up or down. So 15 minutes. As you can see, we actually broke down, cutting through the daily support. And keep in mind we have relative equal lows here. We have relative equal lows here on the DXY. And we have an imbalance here. So tomorrow, keep in mind on the daily also, we do have a buy stop here, buy stops here. Let me just take that out now. It's not important. So then we do have this daily imbalance that needs to be filled, or at least touched. So I'm actually anticipating for the dollar to do a reversal back here to this imbalance. The consequence or roachment for this imbalance here, like we come here by the 58, or you can just measure the body, because the body tell more stories. And, we must come to test this 50%, and yeah, we must come test this 50%, which is at 103.2971. So yeah, I'm actually anticipating for the DXY to go yeah, bearish tomorrow. So if we look at 50-minute, if we actually go take out this relative equal lows today, because we do have ADP data coming out like at 3:30 there. So we don't know what it's likely to come take out this low today. Then I'll know for a fact that tomorrow we are bullish. If we really can take out this lows today. But if the market just plays around, the dollar just plays around here, and by tomorrow, like Friday, yeah, Friday London, or by London session, if we just do a retracement back to this fair value gap here, this imbalance here, and we just play around, it's likely we are going to take out those lows, which is here. Because keep in mind, we did break out here, guys. We completely broke out. We broke out. Because keep in mind here, we did take out sell stops here. Liquidity, market came back, came out to take out the buy stops, and then broke out. This is what we call market structure shift. And then the market went back to retrace back to the and then broke out again. So what do you anticipate? What is the drawn liquidity, guys? It's these lows, relative equal lows, guys. So until I get more information to be clearly by tomorrow. Yeah, by tomorrow. Sorry. Yeah, by tomorrow. Yeah, I'm anticipating the DXY to go bearish tomorrow to take out this loss. Unless I see something that's gonna tell me that we might actually go take out the buy stops here tomorrow. This one. But for now, a breakup, we broke down breaker. Until we're here in this zone, I will consider predicting my NFP forecast for tomorrow, which is this, to take out these lows. So having said that, now if the DXY is bearish, what does it mean for the forex space, guys? Yeah, for those who were really listening, so it means when the DXY goes down, the currency pair goes up. Now we are talking about, let's say, bearish dollar. Please note it down when I mean by XXX equals to go up, and then all pairs that's starting with XXX and then USD it means go up. And all pairs that starts with USD XXX means goes down. So, for example, I trade with correlation pairs. Now, if I'm anticipating the dollar to go down, what does it mean? It means gold. It means gold will buy, and then USD JPY will sell, and then gold. I mean Nasdaq, US 50, S&P 500 will all buy. So all indices buy. So keep that in mind, guys. So I think that's it. Uh, yeah, that's it for the NFP prediction. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. I will be releasing my results for NFP tomorrow. So let me just quickly go on this bus and see if it's actually my watch list. Let's go Nasdaq here for hour. Well, I did prediction of the on Monday, but I think to make this green. Oh, just a reverse. We are likely to take out these buy stops tomorrow. So my next area of interest is actually at 14,829. So NFP might actually just shoot it up. So keep that in mind. Let's go on the floor. For NFP tomorrow, if the dollar is bullish, it might actually go down. I don't know, but there's news data being released just at 3:30. I need more information tomorrow. So when I looked at the DXY, like now, with this news data that are being released today, I'm saying maybe we might take out this loss today if it happens. If not, well, yeah. Well, if something happens like this, and then tomorrow by London session we come back here, then we can anticipate the dollar to go up. Something like that. That's the only way I'll see the dollar being bullish tomorrow. If we actually come and break this, and if we close above here, above this candle, yeah, then tomorrow I can anticipate the dollar to be bullish and we can actually take out this and go to 104.69. Let me just check. Yeah, let's check gold. Let's check Papa Gold. Then let's go on the well. So I did anticipate for gold to actually reverse back to this imbalance here. Maybe it will happen tomorrow in NFP, or gold could just go back and fill out this imbalance here, which is at 1986. There's a possible. So yeah, let me just check USD JPY. USD JPY. Woo! Ay, 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 ay. My God, my spare might actually just shoot up tomorrow. They might just shoot up tomorrow. No, there must be a reversal here. Somewhere here. Make this, we're on the daily, so I'll make this white. Oh my god. So next round liquidities here. Yeah. So if we do still play around here by tomorrow, we're likely to go up here. 142 there. Well, that's not a good sign, because if USD JPY buys, it's just indicating bullish dollar. That's why I say, like, by tomorrow I need more information and I need to see the focus for tomorrow. See the DXY. You see? This is what I'm talking about. We are completely going to take out this loss, and it should happen today. So if we do take out this loss today, guys, then I know tomorrow we're definitely going bullish. We might actually reach this 4-hour. I mean this daily, yeah, this daily imbalance here. We do have this consequence arrangement of that week. Let's go on the 4-hour. Nah, not really. Okay. So there's a small buy stops here. So I'll just make this, yeah, 1 hour. I might actually just come take out this buy stops here. Oh, yeah, so guys, we have news data that's coming out, so we'll see. Tomorrow, I think I'll send you guys a short video of my prediction, just like at 2 o'clock. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today. Please do subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. Until again, be safe.